Okay guys, Bradley just got back from Costco and I thought I'd show you what we got because I think this was our biggest Costco haul ever, don't you think? Like price-wise, I don't know.
Something around that.
Yeah, just thought I'd show you what we picked up and we're not gonna mind my nails. You're not even gonna look at them. So, we love this huge thing of the spring organic spring mix. We like got one from Ralph's to tide us over and it was horse crap. This is so much better. And this, do you mind?
I'm thirsty, it's hot out. Can't film while I do this?
It's a disturbance. This entire big thing is only $3. It's incredible. So, would highly recommend. We obviously make salads. I've been making a lot of like turkey lunch wraps. I put that in there. It just works for a lot of things. We love mushrooms for a lot of different things, so the Costco size makes sense for us. So we got that. I have fallen in love with Costco's tomatoes. I don't know if it's like the summer or just where they source their tomatoes from, but holy crap, it is better than any other tomato I've ever had, pretty much. So we got that, and it's a good size, but the grape tomatoes last for a while for us, so that's good. Also, Costco has the best strawberries, so we picked those up. And raspberries, which we don't always get, but I do typically get them when we're at Costco because Costco just has the best produce. Again, do you freaking mind?
Be that loud.
We got a big old thing of tissues. We usually steal from Bradley's family, but since we're like going out less and less, we got our own. This one's cute with all the pencils.
I was just thinking they're all back to school, I guess, because this one had...
Did you not look at the different patterns or?
No. My goal when shopping is to get in and out.
True. But we both have really bad allergies at the moment, so tissues were a must. So we did get those. We also got paper towels, but they're still in the cart. We don't have room for tissues and paper towels, so one had to stay behind. But back to the food. This is an old favorite that I've rediscovered. It's the pasta Prima organic chicken and mozzarella ravioli. Is that a joke? So this basically tastes like chicken, cheese, and it's heavy on like the rosemary taste. It's incredible. So we got this. You get, how much is this? Was this ravioli? It's usually on sale. I don't know if it was on sale today, but yeah, we like one side feeds us both, so it's, you know, it's great. Then, okay, I swear to God. Ow! Then our new favorite discovery is the Rouse homemade marinara sauce. It's quite pricey, like at Ralph's. You get a size smaller than this for like $8, but at Costco you get the large jars for $10. It has no added sugar and the ingredients are incredible. There's no additives or anything. It's just all things you already know. And besides all that, it is the best marinara sauce we've ever had. So we have some in the pantry. We still have some. In fact, I'm gonna give you an embarrassing peek into our pantry. It is a frickin' mess. Let me know if you guys would be interested in a pantry makeover video because I need to spend some time in here sorting things out, but we still have some. We have some of their Alfredo sauce, but Rouse has been a new fave. And they don't always have it at our Costco, but when we do, or when they do, we pick it up. And then something I'm very excited about, the cotton candy grapes. If you've never tried them, they can be hard to get a hold of when they come in season because they're only in season for like a month or two and they always sell fast. I've never seen them at Costco, but I saw other people posting them. I usually get mine at Sprouts or Trader Joe's, but Costco had it, so I'm very excited about that. So that's our produce. Moving over here, we love these and they've been out of them pretty much all of quarantine, so we finally picked some up. The Monterrey chicken and cheese taquitos. They do have these at like Ralph's and Target and everything, but they've also been sold out there, so everybody must be really wanting some taquitos during self-isolation, but they're back. We love them. We also got, oh my God. Ludo is far too big for the bed in the crate we have now, so we're looking at other crates online, and then Bradley saw this at Costco, and so we got it. He also doesn't really understand the idea of a bed yet. He mostly just chews on them, but I think once he gets it, he's gonna love it because we have like a big pillow that we also got at Costco that he loves to lay on top of. He loves to lay on top of blankets and, you know, all that stuff. So we got him a big boy bed. Good boy! Thank you, Daddy, for the new bed. I will destroy it and I love it.
Please do not destroy it.
Okay, back to the groceries. So these are delicious. I think we're gonna pop some in for lunch today. They're just the best. And then Bradley stocked up on some alcohol. We have some wine, some vodka, very big box of beer. How many beers come in this?
24.
But like how many different kinds? 4?
4.
How much is this thing?
$20.
That's a great deal. So more beer. Yeah, I mean Bradley likes to stock up on alcohol at Costco because it's very cheap. So we got that. And then vegetarians look away, but we got some meat. We love Costco's flank steak, so we got some of that. And then we got 2 like big packs of their Kirkland organic chicken breasts because numbers in LA are rising again and we kind of just want to hunker down a little bit. And there was no line today, but there have been lines in the past, so we don't know when we can get back to Costco. So he brought 2 things of chicken because we will eat it. So thanks for going to the store, babe.
Absolutely. I was relieved that there was no line.
Yeah, no line at our Costco. But yeah, just thought I'd give you a peek inside what we like at Costco. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want more grocery hauls, I'll link them up in the corner. But yeah, see ya.